There's one other thing that I wanted to share with you guys because it's a way for you to make money and I'm super stoked on it. So, you know how influencers make a lot of their money through affiliate link? Well, okay, maybe you don't know this. Influencers make a lot of their money through affiliate links. They might use a site like Reward Style, which is invite only. Not everyone has access to it. I could post a photo on Instagram or a blog post and I could say, shop my look. All of the links are affiliate links, which means that if you buy it, I get a commission when you buy it. The average person who is suggesting products to their friends does not have access to that. You're just sharing products because you're a nice person until now. Now, you can have access to affiliate links. So there's this amazing company called Chirpyest. Basically, this is how it works. You're gonna use the link below. It's like the invite link into the platform. Totally free. It's always gonna be free. It's not like free for the first month and then it is just free. You will create yourself an account and then it's an extension that gets added to your browser. Now, it just sits there. You're gonna forget about it. You're gonna open up a website, about to do some shopping. You're going to Target. Let's say you're gonna do grocery shopping on Target. All of a sudden, a pop-up, a Chirpyest pop-up will come up and it will say, activate cashback. You'll just click activate cashback. Boom, you're done. Now you shop on Target like you would normally shop on Target for whatever you shop on Target for. You will get cash back on your order. Any site that you are shopping on, as long as the browser is installed, it's just gonna function in the background. It's gonna pop up and give you that cash back. But that's only one element of it, right? That's a way for you to save money. There is also a way for you to make money. Let's say you have a jacket that everybody loves or a dress that you wear to a party that everyone's like, oh my God, I love that dress. And you would normally just say, oh, thanks, I got it at Nordstrom. Now, instead, you can say, oh, I'll send you a link. You can create your own affiliate link through your Chirpyest account, and that cashback that they normally offer converts to commission for you. So when your friend buys that dress that you suggested to her, you are going to get a commission from her order. So all you have to do is install the browser and basically that's it. It's gonna do the rest of the work. You make money when you're shopping, you create affiliate links that you can share with everybody and anybody, creating blog posts, whatever you want, make money when other people shop. And there's this really cool thing called shopping boards. So you can go on and create your own shopping board, which is basically like your own curated store. Anytime someone buys something through your shopping board, you make that cash back. Off all of your normal suggestions that you would normally do, you can save money on all of your normal shopping that you would normally do. So it's really, really cool. I cannot recommend it enough. I'm gonna put the link down below. Just click it, create your account, install it, and move on with your life. You're gonna love it, you're gonna love it. I just had to share it because I thought it was super cool.